am Ankush Sharma, B.TECH Course Coordinator in International Maritime Institute, Greater Noida. I am associated with IMI from 8 years. IMI is the only maritime institute in North India who conducted B.TECH course in marine engineering and affiliated with Indian Maritime University, Chennai. IMI is duly recognized and approved by Directorate General of Shipping. Candidates who have passed B.TECH in marine engineering, they can take their career as a junior or trainee engineer on ship. After 6 months of sailing, candidate is eligible to write an exam of class 4 engineer and awarded by COC by Mercantile Marine Department, Government of India. Subsequently, they become chief engineer in maritime industry, and they are free to take their career, a fruitful career in shipping industry worldwide. To get admission in IMU, the candidate must appear or clear the IMU CET exam conducted by IMU Chennai, which is at all India level. IMI is proud to associated with premier shipping industries like Maersk Line, MSC, Fleet, PIL, Dynacom, Dock and Dale, Synergy, and many more. These companies visit our campus for placement drive for engine cadets. Normally, for B.TECH students, these companies participate for a placement drive during 6th semester and 8th semester and 7th semester for B.TECH students. Our earnest endeavor is to ensure that all B.TECH cadets must get their placement before their passing. IMI has a highly qualified team of chief engineers, assistant professors, and workshop instructors. As workshop training and practical training is most important on board, we have a highly equipped control and automation lab, simulator, engine simulator, high voltage electrical lab, and ship in campus. If you want to make your career as a marine engineer, or you want to know more about IMI, please visit our website www.imi.edu. Thank you.